In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve AJK PSC 2013 MCQs, that is, how many generators does the group Z24 plus have? Solution, that is theorem, an integer k in Zn is a generator of Zn if and only if GCD, mean greatest common divisor, into nk is equal to 1. The number of generators of Z24 plus are all the positive integers relative prime to 24. So prime numbers of 24, that is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. So 2 3 times repeat, so 2 power 3 multiply 3. Generators of 24 is equal to generator into 2 power 3 multiply 3. Formula, that is generator of P, mean prime numbers, is equal to prime number power n minus P prime number power n minus 1. So generators of 24 is equal to G into, so first of all, P power n prime number, that is 2 power 3 minus prime number 2 power 3 minus 1 into 3 power 1 minus 3 power 1 minus 1. So by using formula, that is 2 power 3 is equal to 8 minus 2 power 3 minus 1 2 power 2 into 3 power 1 is equal to 3 minus 3 power 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 8 minus 2 power 2 is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 into 3 minus 3 power 0 is equal to 1. So 0 exponent equal to 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 4 times is 8. So generators of 24 is equal to 8. Option C is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.